Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bandit Healer. So first we're going to get started right in the center with the eye. And we're going to create a nice big oval for that right eye. Let's move in towards the middle, and again we're going to draw another oval for the pupil. Let's draw in a nice big circle on the top here for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in this pupil black. We're going to draw on the snout now. So coming down to the left of this, we're going to bring this line over towards the left-hand side. We're going to round out that edge. So we're going to start back on that line, rounding that out, curving that in on a diagonal towards the bottom. And then from here, again, rounding that out, we're going to curve this line across, taking that up on the side. Let's draw in a corner bracket beside that. Now from here, we're going to move over for the nose. We're going to curve this down, up, and then in towards the top. And now let's draw in his left eye. So we're going to move across here, and we're going to curve this up, drawing in a nice big arch line, bringing that down on the left-hand side. And then moving in, we're going to draw in another arch line for the pupil. On the top here, let's draw in a circle for the highlight. And then again, just coloring our pupil in black. Let's go ahead and draw on the eyebrows now. So above the right eye, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to do the same thing as we come down on a diagonal on the left. Now from the edge here, we're going to round that out, bringing that around and through on the side. Now let's draw in the shape of the body. So we're going to flatten that out for the top of the head. We're going to bring this line across, rounding that edge, bringing that down on the side. Let's do the same on the right. So as we come across, we're going to bring this line over, rounding that edge out, bringing that down. And then we're going to continue to bring this line down towards the middle. Let's draw on the ears. So on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line up. We're going to do the same thing on the side of our head here, bringing that up towards the top. Now from the top here, we're going to bring this diagonal line through towards the middle. We'll do the same from the point on the top, bringing that down towards the right. We're going to replicate the shape in the center now. So again, just drawing in another straight line coming up towards the top. And then again, from that point, bringing this over and across towards the eyebrow. Now from here, moving up beside the eye, we're going to curve this line over. Let's close off the rest of the mouth. So we're going to arch this line in on a diagonal towards the bottom of the mouth. And then we're just going to flatten this out by bringing this line over towards the left-hand side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this up on a diagonal. Now moving up from the top of the nose, we're going to curve this line down, following the shape of the eye on the bottom, rounding that out and bringing that through towards the bottom. Let's draw in Bandit's arm now. So just above this line, stepping in on a diagonal, we're going to curve this around and through. Now we're going to draw in a corner bracket beside that. Now let's draw in the fingers. So behind, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to step down, replicating that right in the center. And then as we move up, we're going to bring this line over, up and through towards the side. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same height as our line on the top. Now for the wrist, we're just going to curve this line down. And now let's draw in the rest of the rectangular body. So we're going to continue this line underneath. We're going to bring this through, rounding that edge out, flattening that out on the bottom. On the left-hand side, coming beside the nose, we're going to flatten this line out on the side, ending that at the same height as the line on the right. Again, curving that in. And then we're just going to flatten this out here, bringing this line all the way through towards the right. Let's draw in the left arm. So on the top, we're going to round this out, bending that at the elbow, bringing that in. For the finger behind here, we're just going to curve this line down, creating an arch line. And then to close off the wrist, we're just going to curve this back up. Let's draw on the pattern in the center now. So for the outer line, we're going to bring this line up, bending that in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then now from here, we're just going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Let's drop down. We're basically going to replicate that. So stepping in, leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this up, arching that in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing this around and back in. Now let's draw on the legs. So in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down for the left leg. We're going to step over on the right-hand side, replicating that, leaving a gap. To close off the bottom of the foot, we're going to curve this line back, around, and then in. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this line straight up towards the bottom of the body. Now for the toes, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines, arching those out towards the side. And then we're going to flatten out the ankles with a straight line from left to right. Now let's draw on his tail. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this line over and taking that up. Let's come underneath again, curving this around and through. Stepping beside that, arching this around, back in. And then moving up, curving this up, down, and in towards the side of the body. And then we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Bandit Healer. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.